Hi, my name is Mason. I am a service advisor here at Bell Ford. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to input your door keyless entry code. There's two methods in order to do this. The first one is through the door keyless entry code, and the second one is going to be through your radio. In order to find the door code for your vehicle, you're going to have to access your owner's manual. In order to open the door, what you're going to do is you're going to slide the door handle here, and then it's going to illuminate the lights, and then once you have your code, you're going to press in your door code. Once it's that, your vehicle will unlock. Right after immediately you unlock the vehicle, press the first button. It's going to unlock twice. That's when it's ready to press in your own personal door code. The second way to access your door code is by going through the infotainment screen. By doing that, you want to do is by going onto the radio here, is clicking settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to go into your vehicle options here. Once you go into your vehicle options, you're going to scroll down, and it's going to guide you through the door key code. And once you do that, it's going to be the same exact method how we did outside. You're going to type in your code, and you're going to enter, and it's going to tell you if you want to add or erase a code, and that's another way to create your own personal door code. Thank you for watching. My name is Mason. I am a service advisor here at Bell Ford. Please click to our channel and subscribe for more information.